Hello, my name is Bhavika Jasuja and I'm from 8th semester EC department. I'm going to give presentation on conditioning, monitoring and booking system of a gas cylinder. My team members are Gavi Thethal and Rupa Jaswal. These are the topics of our project. Introduction. As we know, atmosphere is covered by lots of gases and these gases play important role in our lives. But the leakage of certain gases affects our lives and almost human loss occur. Nowadays, the use of LPG is increased very fast as it is a flammable gas. If leak, it can cause major damage to life and property. Therefore, it should be used in safe handling manner and additional care has to be taken in order to prevent any leakage possible. Also, the number of deaths due to the explosion of gas cylinder has been increasing in recent years. So, our proposed topic aims at detection of gas leakage and monitor the weight of the gas cylinder. Also, books the new cylinder using IFTTT app. The additional advantage of the system is that it continuously monitors the weight of the cylinder using load cell, and if the gas level reaches below the threshold limit of the gas, the user can replace the old cylinder with new by automatically books the cylinder using IFTTT app. Next is problem statement. Nowadays, gas leakage and gas detection is a major problem in our daily lives. Also, gas wastage is a major issue because it resulting into both financial loss as well as a human life. It is not possible to employ a human always keeping watch on gas regulator to avoid accidents. So for avoid such situations, a considerable amount of effort has been devoted to the development of reliable techniques for detecting gas leakage. Our aim is to reduce the risk in the kitchen. Next is objective. The main aim of our project is to prevent explosions and provide safety. In our system, sensors are used to detect the leakage in the kitchen. Also, the weight of the gas cylinder is monitored continuously with the help of a load cell. A new cylinder is also booked automatically using IFTTT app. Next is block diagram. Here is the explanation of the block diagram. As you can see, it consists of a node MCU, buzzer, IFTTT application, MQ2 sensor, and a load cell. If there is a leakage, MQ2 sensor will detect the leakage and the output of the sensor goes high. This will monitored by the node MCU, and also the buzzer is activated if there is a leakage. Here load cell is used to continuously monitor the weight of the cylinder. If the gas level reaches below the threshold limit of the gas, the user can replace the old cylinder with new by automatically books the cylinder using IFTTT app. Further project is explained by our second team member Gavi Thethal.
These are the components which we have used in our project. The first one is NodeMCU. NodeMCU is an open source IoT platform. It includes firmware which runs on the ESP8266 Wi-Fi. NodeMCU is a low-cost Wi-Fi module chip. The device can operate on an external supply of 6 to 20 volts. Power to the node MCU is supplied via the onboard USB micro connector or directly via the VIN pin that can be configured to connect to the internet for Internet of Things. Second one is smoke sensor MQ2. The smoke sensor detects combustible gases and smoke. This module is useful for gas leakage detection. Due to its high sensitivity and fast response time, measurements can be taken as soon as possible. The sensitivity of the sensor can be adjusted by potentiometer. Third one is 16 into 2 LCD display. It is called as 16 into 2 LCD display because it consists of two rows and each row can print 16 characters. Each character is bulbed by a 5 into 8 pixel box. The operating voltage is 4.7 to 5.3 volt. These are available in green and blue backlight. Fourth one is load cell. Load cell is an electromechanical device. A load cell is a type of transducer, especially a force transducer. Load cell can be used to measure force, torque, weight and pressure. It converts a force such as tension, compression, pressure or torque into an electrical signal that can be measured and standardized. The last one is HX711 amplifier. The HX711 uses a two-wire interface for communication. The operating voltage is 2.6 to 5.5 volt DC. The load cell amplifier is a small board for the HX711 IC that allows you to easily read load cell to measure weight. Further project is explained by our third team member Jaiswal Rupa.
Here are the advantages of conditioning, monitoring and booking system of gas cylinder. This is the system detect any LPG gas cylinder, that detection and prevention of any sort of gas leakage, and this system is cost efficient that anybody can afford easily. This is a simple system and made less complex. The less complex circuit and no environmental effect or no effect of physical condition. The system is used in home as LPG gas leakage, which reduce the huge loss of property and life and keep safe from accidents. The next topic is application. This system is used in home, factories, LPG storage, hotels, hospital and also there where the LPG gas cylinder used by. The next topic is conclusion. This system is provide safe, reliable and simple cost-effective LPG leakage detection system. In this system, components which we are used are very cost-effective and easily available in the market. And also by using this system, the destruction occurring due to gas leakage accidents are avoided. Next is future scope. There is as no system in is perfect, neither is this one, so it leaves us with the future scope. Currently, this system detects only the leakage present at gas cylinder. In further improvement, we can make a system that detects leakage present in pipeline. Thank you.